This is one of the largest one-bedroom apartments I've seen in El Poblado. And as we walk into the apartment here, we're gonna go to the social bathroom, take a look at the design here because I really love what the owners did with the entire apartment. As we walk over to the kitchen, which offers a functional layout and everything is within reach and it connects well with the rest of the apartment. And as we pan over to the living area, this is where it starts to open up. This is where you really start to feel the size of the apartment. You've got 100 square meters here, so it feels more like a full-size apartment than your typical one-bedroom apartment. Quick note, when you're serious about buying in Medellin, there's a form below in the description. Fill that out and our team will help you through the process the right way. Here's the balcony. Take a look at that massive space that you have here with the balcony. The entire apartment, this kind of layout actually works if you're planning to live here long term. You've got enough good space here to host, set up a proper living area without feeling so cramped than you would in other one-bedroom apartments that I've seen. By the way, we're located in Castropol, the neighborhood, which is one of the more residential areas in El Poblado. You're still close to Las Palmas and Provenza and main areas, but it's more quiet compared to being right in the middle of everything. And here's the master bedroom. It feels more like a full suite than your standard one bedroom. You've got good space here, you got a comfortable layout, and it's a very livable setup, especially with this master walk-in closet and this master bathroom. And if you can see what I meant earlier about the design of this apartment, just look the way that it looks. I don't think I've seen anything like this here in El Poblado, especially in a one-bedroom apartment. So I'll let you guys finish the rest of the walkthrough here, and then we'll go over to the map section to show you where we are and what's around you. Alright, so here's the listing for this property. It is on our website, medellinlivingrealestate.com. There you can browse all of our properties that we have available for sale. And here you can see all of the details for this property, which I'll have listed down below in the description. This building does have amenities. It's a 9-year-old building, by the way. It has a swimming pool, a Turkish bath, a sauna, and you also get 2 parallel parking spaces. So now let's go over to Google Maps to show you where this apartment is. So it's in Castropol. I marked it out. Here's the area of Castropol. For those of you that don't know, it's this yellow area that I marked out. In reference to where Provenza is, Provenza, I marked it out here in red. So it's just about a 15-minute, maybe 20-minute drive on Uber, just depending on how traffic is going. And this purple area that I marked out over here is where the apartment's located. And right next to you, this red area, you have a few coffee shops there. You have La Quinta Hotel, which is by the Wyndham Hotels. And you also have a Smart Fit gym just right around the corner from you in this area. So that's it for this apartment. When you're actively looking to buy in Medellin in the next 30 days and your budget is $150,000 or above, then our team can help you move fast and buy properly. We don't just show you properties that are in our own inventory. We scan the entire market based on your criteria and act as your private MLS here. We call it the Medellin Living Search System. We only work one-on-one with buyers who are ready to follow our process and move forward seriously. So once you're ready to start that process, go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the form and someone on the team will reach out to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.